It's been one of them winters. It's been dark, miserable. We've been in lockdown and it's not been fun. Depression levels have been quite high. So we're starting a new series, Car Talk UK Projects. We've still got the LT, which I'm going to get sorted soon, but I needed a little van to knock around in, and I found a little project. So if you're new around here, please like and subscribe. I filmed this series as well, so everything is pretty much filmed at about 80%, and it's going to be released every week. It's just been one of them winters. So hopefully you'll stay tuned and you'll enjoy what's about to come. But can anyone guess what we've bought? It is a little van and it's got a few issues. But it was cheap. It was very cheap. So have a guess in the comments. What do you reckon it is? I'll give you a clue. It's white and it's got an oil leak and it's a bit mouldy. So remember people, please like and subscribe. Get ready for this new series. It'll be released every Sunday. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next Sunday.